Presenting Fire-Boltt Dock 2 Pro Smartwatch. It comes in black, blue, green, grey and pink color variants. It is available in 1.39 and 1.28 inches size variants. This smartwatch has a 1.39 inches TFT LCD full touch display with a 2D high hardness glass for super protection and a high resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. This watch is long-lasting and durable with its metal body feature. With multiple watch faces, for complementing your every outfit. It comes with IP68, sweat and splash resistance. You can stay relaxed while you sweat. The Fire-Boltt Health Assistant helps you in monitoring your SpO2 and dynamic heart rate. It has 120 plus sports modes for your fitness goals. It enables you to make and receive calls directly from your watch via the built-in speaker and microphone. This smartwatch features a dial pad option to access recent calls and sync your phone's contacts. Command your mobile phone with your smartwatch. The watch has a voice assistant built-in. This smartwatch has dual buttons to carry out the tasks more efficiently and easily. The smartwatch supports inbuilt games and also lets you access smart notifications. The box includes smartwatch, charging cable and manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon. Presenting beatXP Flux Smartwatch. It is available in black and silver color variants. It features a truly fine, round and ravishing always-on display that radiates excellence. Designed with a 1.45-inch full-screen touch and a resolution of 415 x 415 with 500 nits peak brightness. Track your core health vitals like heart rate, SpO2, sleep monitoring anytime, anywhere and keep your health in check. Stay aware by tracking your menstrual cycle on your smartwatch. Get menstrual alerts every month so that you stay aware. Find new ways to stay active with the 100 plus sports modes on your smartwatch. Equipped with the advanced Bluetooth 5.3 that enhances your call experience. You don't have to worry about missing a text or an email. Get instant alerts on your wrist anytime. It has an inbuilt voice assistant that actively listens to your command and helps you with tasks. The box includes smartwatch, user manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon. Presenting Fire-Boltt Phoenix Pro 1.39-inch Bluetooth calling smartwatch. This pink smartwatch is also available in the black and grey colors. It comes with a 1.39-inch TFT color full touch screen and a 240 by 240 pixel high-resolution display. You can choose from over 100 cloud-based watch faces to match your outfit and look stylish every day. Fire-Boltt Phoenix Pro possess a metal body that is durable and long-lasting, along with a sleek look and gloss finish with shiny which is anti-corrosive. Track your calories, steps and much more with 120 plus sports modes to empower your fitness journey. The latest HRX 3600 technology tracks your heart rate any time of the day, or even while you perform some activity. The optical sensors assure results are accurate. Monitor your blood oxygen levels to stay fit and healthy. You can also ensure if your breathing exercise is fit and healthy with the breathing function. The smartwatch comes with the AI voice assistant that can with one tap wake up Siri, Google on your phone and you can give the commands to get your work accomplished. Get all your mobile phone notifications and never be late for a meeting, party or date. You can also enjoy playing games on the wrist itself as you are on the go. The smartwatch comes included with a manual, magnetic charger and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting Boltt Xtend Smartwatch in charcoal black. It is also available in deep blue, olive green, pitch black and sandy cream. It comes in a size of 26 into 5 into 1 centimeters and weighs 54 grams. The 1.69 inches square color LCD display comes in a captivating touch experience. The ambient light display comes with multiple customizable watch faces. The 5 ATM rating makes it dust, sweat and splash resistant, and it has a battery life of 7 days. The watch features stress and heart rate monitor, sleep tracker and blood oxygen monitor to keep tabs on your overall health. The smartwatch comes with 14 sports modes and built-in Alexa. The box contains the smartwatch, user manual, warranty card, charging cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting Noise newly launched Twist Bluetooth calling smartwatch in the color space blue. It is also available in the colors jet black, rose pink, rose wine and silver grey. Featuring a vibrant round display and a stylish metallic finish, the smartwatch offers a premium on-screen experience. Choose from 100 plus watch faces let you swap into a new background every day. Stay protected from splashes, dust and moisture at all times with IP68 water resistance. Breeze through an entire week without charging with up to 7 days of battery life. Take better care of your daily health with a series of health monitoring tools: blood oxygen monitor, sleep monitor, 24/7 heart rate monitor, stress measurement, breathe practice and female cycle tracker. Indulge in the routine of your preference with 100 sports modes to choose from. Hassle-free pairing, stable connectivity and lower battery consumption thanks to TrueSync. You can also manage calls directly from your wrist. Access your call logs, make calls from the dial pad and save up to 10 favorite contacts. The box includes smartwatch, magnetic charger, user manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Presenting Boltt Wave Leap Call. It is available in active black, deep blue and cherry blossom color variants. Comes with a classy metallic design with skin-friendly silicone straps that truly makes all your looks comfy and fashionable. Be spoilt for choice with multiple watch faces on the cloud. Make everything come to life with a 1.83 inches HD display on Wave Leap Call. Switch up your fitness and sports routines with 100 plus sports modes to choose from. Always keep a tab on your body's health with key physical indicators like heart rate and SpO2 monitoring. Connect seamlessly, dial effortlessly with advanced Bluetooth calling and dial pad. The box includes user manual, warranty card, charging cable and Wave Leap Call smartwatch. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon. Presenting Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic LTE in the color black. It is also available in silver color. Express your style with Watch 4's rotating bezel and vivid screen. Choose between analog or digital watch faces with a variety of backgrounds, fonts and colors. Stay comfortable all day long with durable and sweat-resistant Ridge sports band. This smartwatch has a 220 watts battery. It runs on Wear OS powered by Samsung and is only compatible with Android smartphones. The bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor helps you analyze your body composition and heart rate. It has health monitoring features such as advanced sleep analysis and women's health. It also helps you track 90+ workouts. The smartwatch comes along with a USB cable, strap, wireless charger and quick start guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using OP, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For ME options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.